Da Nang is home to some of the most stunning beaches in Southeast Asia. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of the best spots to enjoy soft white sand, turquoise waters, and of course, the best waves if you're looking to surf. Da Nang is a true paradise, blending breathtaking beaches with a laid-back atmosphere. To make sure you don't miss out, I'll share the top places for both ultimate relaxation and thrilling surf sessions. Let's dive in. 1. The best beaches for relaxing and unwinding. My Khe Beach, the star of Da Nang. Let's start with the most famous beach, My Khe Beach. Picture a vast stretch of soft white sand, crystal clear water, and a super chill vibe. It's the perfect place to lay down your towel, take a dip, and soak up the sun. For extra comfort, you can rent a sunbed at a beach club like Dana Beach Club or A La Mer, where you can sip on a refreshing cocktail with your feet in the sand. It's the ultimate spot for a relaxing beach day. Hanoi Beach, tranquility and dreamy landscapes. If you prefer a quieter escape, head to Non Nuoc Beach, located right next to the Marble Mountains, which creates an absolutely stunning backdrop. This beach is much less crowded, making it ideal for reading a book, paddleboarding, or simply listening to the soothing sound of the waves. Plus, you'll find a few spots offering beachside massages, perfect for unwinding completely. Son Tra Beach, the hidden gem. Looking for something even more secluded and untouched? Then Son Tra Beach, tucked away on the Son Tra Peninsula, is the place to be. The water here is incredibly clear, and since it's more isolated, you'll often have the beach almost to yourself. If you're lucky, you might even spot some monkeys in the trees in the late afternoon. 2. The best surfing spots in Da Nang. My Khe Beach, perfect for beginners. Besides being an amazing place to relax, My Khe Beach is also one of the best spots to learn how to surf. The waves are gentle and beginner-friendly, making it the perfect place to start. If you've never surfed before, I highly recommend taking a lesson at Da Nang Surf School or My Khe Surf Club. They also rent out boards if you want to try it on your own. Nomad Beach, the spot for intermediate surfers. For those with a bit more experience, Nomad Beach is a great option. The waves here are stronger and the vibe is more local, with very few tourists. Just be aware that the currents are a bit stronger, so it's best suited for surfers who already have some skills. But if you love wild, uncrowded surf spots, this one is a must-visit. Son Tra Beach, the ultimate spot for advanced surfers. If you're looking for a real challenge, Son Tra Beach is the place for you. Located near the big resorts, this spot is still relatively untouched, offering more technical waves. It's the favorite spot for experienced surfers in Da Nang, so if you're up for an intense session, this is where you'll want to go. 3. Where to eat and relax after the beach. After a full day of beach, lounging or surfing, there's nothing better than a delicious meal by the ocean to refuel. If you want a chill atmosphere with your feet in the sand, head to Maya or Esco Beach. These places offer breathtaking sea views, refreshing cocktails, and a relaxed vibe, perfect for keeping the beach mood alive while enjoying a great meal. If you're craving something more local and authentic, check out Nang Garden. This cozy restaurant serves delicious Vietnamese specialties like bun cha or a flavorful mi quang. Surrounded by greenery, it's a peaceful spot to unwind after a sunny day. For street food lovers, you'll find plenty of vendors along the main beachfront areas. Grab a crispy banh mi or a steaming bowl of pho, perfect for refueling after a long beach day. And if you're in the mood for something more international, the Mayan Beach area has restaurants offering burgers, pizzas, and other Western dishes, ideal for waiting out the sunset. Whether you're into trendy beach clubs, traditional eateries, or quick street food bites, Da Nang has everything you need to wrap up your perfect beach day in style. Now you know the best beaches in Da Nang, whether you're looking to relax or catch some waves. From My Khe Beach for chilling, to Nomad Beach for surfing, and Son Tra Beach for an off-the-beaten-path experience, you've got plenty of options. Let me know in the comments which beach excites you the most and if you've ever tried surfing in Da Nang. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more travel adventures. See you soon for another journey.